guest experience is nurtured by convenience, innovation, technology, integrated engagement, and reimagination. Saffire LX electronic hotel lock features sophisticated RFID technology in a contemporary design. Easy to use, flexible, high-performing, and secure, Saffire LX provides hotels the option of issuing mobile credentials to transform the guest experience. Saffire LX is supported by Ambience, our state-of-the-art access control software that provides a reliable, simplified solution for guest and staff access. Saffire LX is the innovative solution that combines smart security with aesthetics to harmonize with progressive hotel technology and amenities. Select Saffire LX for your new construction or renovation projects. Engage your guests with secure technology and meet the demand for greater guest experience. Simply Saffire LX.